Hello, I want to do a real quick video on the device certificate. So in my initial uh, configuration video where I went through the management and doing updates, I forgot to do the device certificate. So the device certificate on the device tab under setup is used for securing the device connectivity to Palo Alto Cloud and to different Palo Alto services. So to get your device certificate, you need to do this on every one of your firewalls, but you can go to device setup management and here for device certificate. We'll actually need to get the serial number of the firewall first, and then we'll need to go to the customer support portal, Palo Alto Network support portal, and we'll need to go to products, then device certificates. We'll need to generate a one-time password, and then we'll need to generate a one-time password for next generation firewall PAN-OS. I'm going to paste in my serial number, and I'm going to generate my one-time password. Then I'm going to copy this to clipboard. I'm going to go back to my firewall, and under the device certificate box, I'm going to click Get Certificate. Then I'm going to paste in the key that I just received, and I'm going to say OK, and then close. And this will take just a few minutes for it to load the configuration and then actually reach out to the support portal to get the device certificate. So up here in the top right hand corner, there's the little arrowed circle. I'm just going to click the refresh there. And now I actually have a valid device certificate. So thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video.